In terms of the domestic area focus, the sort of companies you're looking at, maybe even deploying capital this year, what's, I guess, a simple way of asking, what's hot?
Well, that's a great question. Again, China is such a big market. Right. For us, we focus on three themes. One is the TMT, telecom media technology. One is healthcare, one hardware. For each of these three themes, we use verticals. For example, for healthcare, we are interested in the healthcare device. We are interested in certain pharmaceutical companies developing certain CRM related, certain testing, and very, very vertical space we're looking at, not everything, because we've been done this for so many years. We find out that only be able to focusing on certain very, very vertical sectors, then you can capture the right target to make the investment. So those are the three main themes, but then we come down to very narrow spaces to make investment.
This new tech board that they're planning here in Shanghai, yeah. I know there's initial plans, yes. You have a few details still.
Yes.
It's good on paper, but how will that succeed? Like, what would make you choose that instead of taking one of your babies abroad?
Yeah, this is a great question, because I'm sitting on board of one of the companies to be filed for this tech board. Oh. Yeah, as a matter of fact, as early at the end of this month, we know a lot of details because give you a certain insight. For certain good companies, the government know which one is better than the other. So we are one of the get invited. Not everyone, I mean, for the obvious reason, everyone wants to file, everyone wants to get in. But the government already done a lot of homework. Right. They pick and choose, or they kind of invite, if you like, or some other ways to encourage you to be the first batch. We are fortunate, we have a couple of companies being invited for the first batch. I'm happen to be sitting board on one of the companies. So according to this current procedure or the timeline, they will be, if you filed by end of this month, they will be publicly listed before the end of the second quarter this year. So that's the
when is it
timeline.
Launching?
End of this month. That's the latest information we got, because we a couple of our companies are trying to get to the first batch of the.
And I'm sure that also has to do with just the state of the market now. It's been so good. Last year was so bad. Are you looking to bring forward some of your exit plans because of this window is open?
Yeah, absolutely. I think with the current market, but it's a good sentiment at least. So certain companies last year, maybe withdraw a little bit or stay put a little bit, but now they are trying to capture the window of the market. And I think my personal belief that this market will last for a while, because again, government really done a lot of good work and research, make sure the tech board and other board will move to the right direction. Unlike before, it's really not too healthy.